Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, just a wee quick video. We had a 2015 Range Rover Evoque come in. This is the manual one with clutch pedal not working. Customer complaint said that it works sort of, and the pedal wouldn't return to the correct position and that, so done a bit of investigation, found out the fault was the slave cylinder. So I just thought I'd, the master cylinder. I just thought I'd give you a wee run through on what a master cylinder looks like on a clutch. So on this particular motor, we've got to take what they call the clutch pedal box out. As you can see here, full clutch pedal. This is bolted to the back of the firewall, just underneath the dash. This bit here is actually the master cylinder, and usually this pin through there holds that in place there, but as you can see, this particular bit very loose, shouldn't be as loose as that, So what we'll do is we'll pop this master cylinder out, just comes out the back of the pedal like that, and there is the fault. That there should be sitting in there. At the end of this should actually be a plastic ball, sits in there to give it a little bit of movement, and that pushing in and out with your pedal works the master cylinder. The way the master cylinder works is your fluid reservoir goes into this pipe. This one here gets pushed out at high pressure to work your clutch. So when you press your pedal down, that goes in, pushes high pressure fluid out there to work your clutch. Obvious fault there once you've got it all stripped down. So we're going to get a new one of these, fly it back in the car, and hopefully another happy customer. So remember, like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll keep buying you other little interesting finds that we get on these cars. As I say, nice and easy to repair here, but a bit of a nightmare to get that out, but once it's out, it's easy to fix on the bench. We'll get it put back together, and that'll be another car back on the road. So thanks again for watching.